What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. In today's video, we are going to talk about the valid state once more. Okay, guys, so the project has been live for 226 days, still up and running, still doing its thing, still paying out. Total withdrawals 434k. Total deposits 726k. Okay, this is in dollars, right? Which is a lot of money. So, valid state, simple put, has two plans, the duplex and the Rolex. The duplex, you will earn 5% daily for 10 days. After 10 days, you'll be able to cash out your initial capital, okay? Whereas the Rolex, you will earn 15% daily and the minimum deposit is 10k, okay, which is a lot. Whereas the duplex, the minimum deposit is 100 bucks all the way to 9,000, okay? And this one, the Rolex will roll for 20 days, okay? Whereas the duplex will only roll for 10 days. After 10 days, your principal return is returned, and same as on the Rolex, okay? Pure and simple. Let's go over to my dashboard and let's see what's up. So currently I have deposited 700 bucks, total profit 150, referral bonus 175.5, and my current balance is 12.5. Now, guys, I am gonna do a giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna go do a giveaway because this is a referral bonus for people to join under my referral link. Okay, so shout out to everybody joining under my referral link. So for that reason, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So here's the rules for the giveaway. So giveaway entry rules, very simple rules. Okay, guys, it will take you probably 5 minutes tops to enter the giveaway. So rule number one, you have to hit the like button of this video. Boom, easy. Okay, rule number two, you comment the like button and that's gonna be your entry ticket. Okay, so if you comment, if your like number is a like number 5, okay, so your entry ticket is gonna be your ticket number 5, okay? And then thirdly, you write your name because we need to know who you are. Okay, fourth, you're gonna join the Telegram group, which is the link's gonna be down in the description. Lucky winners 329, and then step number 5, you're gonna write your like number and your name so we know who you are. Okay, once we hit 20 likes, I will randomly select one winner and the winner will win 20 bucks. Okay, even though my referral bonus is 17.5, I'm gonna give away 20 bucks. It's not much, but for some people it is a lot. Okay, very simple, guys. So valid state still up and running, and it's very, very simple to withdraw. So for example, I've got 12.5 right there to withdraw. If I want to withdraw that fund, okay, all I gotta do is hit withdraw funds, and then once I come down, okay, we can select the amount that I want to withdraw, request withdraw. So you hit request withdraw, you enter the amount, and boom, the money will be within your account, within seconds. Okay, sometimes it might take a few minutes because network might be congested, but eventually it will land on your accounts. Okay, so that being said, guys, there is not much to talk about a valid state. So project still up and running, still doing its thing. And remember, guys, there is a giveaway. The first once we hit 20 likes, I'm gonna pick one random winner, and that winner will win the 20 bucks. Okay, and also if you wanna join this project, the link's gonna be down in the description. Okay, only invest risk capital because everything in DeFi can be risky. So that being said, enjoy the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.